Hey, this is Caujuan Co-Owner of Binary Trade Signals, BTS. Okay, so first off, what we want to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to compound, okay? Make profit with taking just three trades, only risking $25. So right now, you see my balance is 13,238.65. We're going to jump right in. We're going to start with 25. Taking a trade on the Euro JPY. Actually, not paying attention. I took it on the wrong one. So let's do this again. Euro JPY put. This is also why you always want to be paying attention, not rushing too fast. But it's okay. So I'm in the money with that Euro JPY. I'm not gonna worry about this one. Actually, both of them about to be in the money. This one will be coming up too. I'm not worried about that one. Okay. When this balance changes, because it will change, we're gonna only compound the 41.75. So when it changes, we'll go from there. We're gonna bypass this one right here, just 25. We're only going to take three trades. So we're not going to count this one because this was a mistake on my part. I didn't mean to jump in on this one, but this Euro JPY I did. So we're going to go from the Euro JPY and go from there. So remember this account balance. We have 188.65. Okay, it's going to take three trades to make a significant profit. We should make about 20.93. Depends on how much the broker's paying out right now, but it can go from anywhere between 90 to 95, somewhere around that range. Profit. All you're doing is risking $25. The concept of this is the $25 that you're risking. Okay, good. This one loses, so it won't count. Which actually doesn't make any sense because it just rose up. So I don't know why this one's out the money right now. Oh, because it's a different currency. Okay. The concept behind this is if you lose the first 25, then all you have to do is, I mean, if you lose your trade, the first trade, if you win, then you're in the money. Then the second trade, you compound, which would be this amount. Now, let's say you lose. Okay, so you lose, all it does is drop you back to the initial $25 that you had started off with. So you're really in the money. So we're not going to count this right here. So we're going to start from 188 and we just invested 25. So let's pay attention from this point on. And we're going to see if we can make a significant profit of at least 90, 95 to $100. So this is the first trade in the money. We won 41.75. Okay, so now what we would do is, now that we got the 41.75, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set back up, and I'm gonna set up for a call, and then this time what we're gonna trade the 41.75. This compounding won't work on spot option brokers, from what I noticed, because they have fixed rates and they don't let you put the amount you want. But any broker that lets you put the amount that you want to place, then this concept will work. So we're just gonna wait. I'm waiting for a good setup right here. I'm still using my price action setup, so I'm just waiting. We may even jump around so we can find trades quicker. Right now, the market's kind of slow because we're trading in like the beginning of Asian, so it's a little bit slow right now, but it's all right. We're gonna see what we can do. Like I said, we only need to take three trades, so I'll find three good setups and we'll go from there. Markets are moving very slow, so in the meantime, between time, let me see if I can find something on another pair, possibly. GBP JPY. Let's see what that looks like. So we go over to the GBP JPY, see what that looks like real fast. No, don't like the GBP JPY. Let's go back to the Euro JPY. Okay, it's set up. We already set up. About to take another put. I mean another call in a minute. If price continues to set up for me. Okay, so remember we already took one trade with $25 in, brought us back 41.75. So we're gonna take one more. Now we're about to take our second trade. Waiting for price to set up. It's close, as you can see right here. Waiting for it to touch this blue line at 133.714, and then we'll go in. Very close. Still waiting. Okay, we in. Could have waited for a little bit better strike, but didn't want to chance it and get in the retrace. Actually, probably should have. This is going to be a perfect trade. I should get in right now, to be honest with you. 69.72, only because I'm confident in this and I know what it's going to do. Euro JPY, 69.72 now. This would have been the three compounds. So I'm just going to take them all simultaneously. That way we can get this out the way, over with, and you can see exactly the profit that we would have made. So as long as these two win, we still got this one out the money. This one's in the money, so let's go down to this one, see where this one's at. This one's far out the money, still not worried. Should be rising. There we go. Okay. So let's let these play out. And if these play out in the money, then we should see a significant profit of at least $90 to $95. We can do the math right here while that's setting up. So we risk 25 plus 41.75 plus 69.72 which would give us $136.47 profit if it wins. So now look at when you see one lose, I want you to see up here what happens. It just brings our balance back to 25. Now we'll be back in the money here, but if we went and took this trade, then what I would have did is it would start me back at 25 and we would start the compound all over again. So let's do it right now. Euro JPY. This one's gonna win, so we're gonna do Euro JPY. We're gonna start the compound over, and I'm glad it lost because now it gets to show you what happens if it loses. If it loses, you come back to where you started 25. So now we start where we started off with in the beginning. So now we got the 25. And since I know these are gonna win, this one actually I'm gonna do this quick. So 25, then 41.75 would have been the next one. And then after that would have been 69.72. Of course, you would have, of course, and not you would normally did this. You wouldn't have did this back to back like I just did it. I only did this back to back because I knew that the price was going to shoot up, and I knew that this was gonna win. So as you can see, these are all deep in the money. So I'm not just playing around. I know what I'm doing. But So normally, what you would have did, you would have waited for this one to expire first. So it would have been the 25, and then 25 would have bought you 41.75. Then you would have invested the 41.75. Then 41.75 would have bought you 69.72, and then you would have invested the 69.72, and then you would have got your profit. And then your 69.72 would uh, and then from the 69.72, those three compounds would have brought you your profit. If you lose anywhere in between here, all it's going to do is bring you back to your initial $25. This is the reason why compounding your trades is the most effective way to make your money trading without risking a lot of money. Because whether you use $25 to start off with, $50 to start off with, $100 start off with, the concept's still the same. Start off with your initial start off price, which whether this be 25, 50, 100, whatever you're comfortable with. Then when it brings your initial return, then trade the return. Okay, on the next one, if it wins, great. If it loses, then you start back off with your starting balance. If it wins, then go to the next, which would be 69.72. Invest the 69.72, and that in 69.72 is going to bring back 116.43 minus the 25 that you start off with. So you got 116.43 minus the 25 that you started off with, of course. So $91 profit. So right now, when this ends, we was made $91.43 profit. So you can look up here when this closes, and there goes the profit right there. So that's how you make a quick $93 to $100 with just 3 trades compounding real fast. So I hope this was I hope you understood this. I hope this was not too complicated. I hope I explained this well. You know, it was cut and dried. It was pretty simple. Again, this is Trading with Caujuan, Volume 2, compounding. Thank you again. BTS. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to take signals, or if you want to be able to use our automated service, you can look us up at binarytradesignal.com. You can look us up on Facebook if you haven't already done so. Again, this is Caujuan Co-Owner BTS. Thank you, and God bless.